Today, I am reviewing the De'Longhi Magnifica Start automatic espresso machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of spending $6 every morning at a coffee shop, but you're also intimidated by those massive manual espresso machines that look like they belong in a laboratory, you might be looking at the De'Longhi Magnifica Start. I have been using this machine for the past 3 weeks to see if it actually delivers on the promise of one-touch convenience without sacrificing the quality of your morning cup. Right out of the box, the footprint is fairly compact for a bean-to-cup machine. It does not hog your entire kitchen counter, which is a major plus if you live in a smaller apartment or just hate clutter. Setting it up was straightforward. The water tank is easy to reach, and the bean hopper holds enough for a few days of heavy use. If you want to see the current pricing or check out the specific model details, there are links below the video that will take you right to the product page. Now, let us talk about the actual coffee. The 3 one-touch recipes, Espresso, Coffee, and Americano, are the core of this machine. The espresso extraction is surprisingly consistent. It produces a decent crema, provided you use fresh, quality beans. I spent a good amount of time playing with the 13 grind settings. This is where you can really tailor the machine to your taste, but be warned, make those adjustments while the grinder is running. If you try to force the dial while it is idle, you're going to put unnecessary stress on the burrs. The biggest strength here is the workflow. You push a button and you have coffee. It is fast, it is quiet enough that it won't wake up the whole house, and the intensity settings allow you to tweak the strength if you prefer something bolder. However, if you are a true latte or cappuccino lover, you need to understand that the frother on this model is manual. You're going to be holding a pitcher under a steam wand. It is not an automatic one-touch latte maker. If you want that, you would need to look at a higher-end model with a milk carafe. For me, the manual wand is actually a pro because it is much easier to clean, but it does require a bit of practice to get that silky microfoam texture right. Let's get into the disappointments, because no machine is perfect. The drip tray fills up quite quickly, especially because the machine performs a rinse cycle every time you turn it on and off. You will find yourself emptying that tray more often than you might expect. Also, while the machine is mostly plastic, it feels sturdy enough, but it does show fingerprints like crazy, especially on the front panel. If you are a neat freak, you will be wiping this thing down daily. Who is this for? This is perfect for the person who wants fresh, cafe-style coffee at home without the steep learning curve of a manual portafilter machine. It removes the guesswork. If you are the type of person who buys pre-ground coffee, this will be a massive upgrade because the built-in grinder makes such a noticeable difference in flavor. Who should avoid this? If you are a hobbyist who loves the ritual of weighing your dose to the 10th of a gram, tamping your own grounds, and controlling every single variable of the extraction, this machine will feel too limiting for you. It is designed for convenience, not for total manual control. Also, if you drink exclusively large travel mugs of coffee, you might find the cup clearance a bit tight, so definitely measure your favorite mug before you decide to buy. Value-wise, you are paying for the convenience of the automated process and the reliability of the De'Longhi name. It is a solid mid-range entry point. It is not a cheap appliance, but it is much cheaper than buying a daily drink at a cafe for a year. If you keep the internal components clean and follow the descaling schedule, it should last you a long time. Overall, the Magnifica Start is a workhorse. It does exactly what it claims to do, and it does it reliably. It is not going to win any awards for the most advanced technology or the most premium materials, but for a daily driver that gets you out the door with a good cup of coffee in your hand, it is hard to beat. If you want to dig deeper into the specs or see what others are saying about their experience, check out the links below the video. Just remember that the best coffee you can make is only as good as the beans you put in the hopper, so don't skimp on those.